Alright guys, so we're just doing a little run through here. We're getting ready for a short through hike, 76 miles at the Foothills Trail, crossing down South Carolina, up in North Carolina and back into South Carolina. And this is the food we're taking for two of us. We are not caching any food. We're carrying everything on our backs. So we just want to do a run through of what we're carrying. We're estimating it's going to take about 5 days. Now realistically, we're going to start at 8 a.m. We're going to meet the shuttle driver, Taz. And he is going to take us 90 miles, I believe it is, by truck, for him to go there and back. But basically, he's going to take us up and drop us off. So that morning, we won't really need any breakfast per se. We have a breakfast here, but this is kind of like if we need it at the end kind of thing. So the first day for breakfast, we've got this one is biscuits and gravy and chicken and waffles. Then for lunch, we have dehydrated spaghetti. And for dinner, we got bourbon chicken and our Thanksgiving Day dinner. For dessert, we got apple crunch. So that's the first day. Now that's for me and my wife. More than likely, this layout of food, we're not going to eat all this because we're pretty bad about not eating lunches, but we're going to try and do some cold soaking during lunch so we can keep getting the miles, but yet keep our calorie count up. So day 2 starts out with sausage gravy and biscuits. That's a new one. I don't know if you guys have seen yet. If not, that'll be an upcoming video. Chicken and waffles. We have 2 of our dehydrated spaghettis for lunch. Black beans and rice. And bourbon chicken for dinner. And then apple pie with graham cracker crunch for dessert. That's day 2. Day 3 is 2 servings of the biscuits and sausage and gravy. 2 of the spaghetti. Another black beans and rice for dinner, and a bourbon chicken, and apple pie for dessert. Now, this day is an elevation day, if we're figuring our miles right. So this day we kind of broke it up a little different with a little different food. So we're having sausage, gravy, and biscuits for breakfast. For lunch, we're having some chili mac and some chili. Both those work real well on cold soak. We'll just throw them in the jars and let them cold soak. Dinner. We get to this elevation, we're going to be tired. So we have the chicken and stuffing for dinner on that night. That stuffing, there's huge amount of stuffing in there, so we'll be full. And then apple pie again for dessert. Our last day here, day 5, we don't plan on still being in there for dinner, but if it happens, it's okay. But you'll see we've got a lot of food over there, and we have the stuff from the breakfast we talked about. So, you've got sausage, gravy, and biscuits for breakfast. We have Cheetos chicken, Doritos chicken, that's Cool Ranch Doritos chicken, roasted garlic pack of potatoes. We got a little bit of muffins that were dehydrated and some apple pie. So that pretty much covers our 5 days of what we're taking. But we can stretch this out because I can promise you we'll be bringing food back. So if we actually got stuck out there another half day or so, we'd still have plenty of food. Now let's go to snacks. Everybody loves their snacks. So we got some chewy rainbow chip granola bars. We got some Jolly Ranchers hard candy. Some Mountain Trail mix. Some extra watermelon gum. My wife's gonna be chowing on some Skittles. Everybody knows that my wife loves banana chips. And then, you guys know me, I like my Dum Dum suckers. We won't be taking all these, but we'll be taking a bunch of them. So we'll also be taking some electrolytes, the Mio Squeeze kind, and our other kind, the powdered kind. Other than that, it's gonna be water, you know. Nothing special, nothing fancy. But give us a second to get this all packed up in food bags and we'll hang it and weigh it for you. Alright guys, we forgot to mention a step here. Just for ease and keeping it broke down to keep the scent down and everything else, we vacuum sealed them by day. We been having some issues with our baggies lately, and at the price it's almost cheaper to vacuum seal now, if not on par. This is our vacuum sealer, the bags we use. Any of these recipes that you guys are interested in, they are on our channel, or any of the gear we use, like the dehydrator or the push and seal from Ziploc here, the bags, all that stuff's going to be in the description box of this video, so you just have direct links. I spend a lot of time answering people's questions where we get stuff from, so now we've put it all in the description box for you, so you can just go there and click it. So let's get all this bagged up, get it on the scale, and show you guys what it weighs. Okay guys, so I've given up trying to hang these and hold them on scales and stuff so you guys can see it on camera. It's just not gonna work. The digital scale says we're just like an ounce under 10 pounds. My hanging scale says that we are exactly at 10 pounds. So I'm gonna take it as we're at 10 pounds. 3 pounds, 7.1 ounces. 6 pounds, 4.2 ounces. So on this round, you know, you mean, look at the size. That's a lot of food, guys. So 10 pounds of food essentially going to be carrying on the backs. Don't think we're going to be doing no 15 or 16 pounds like normal when we do our overnights. So make sure you keep watching, because we'll be releasing a full loadout video to show you what we're going to have in our packs. Obviously be split up over 2 people. So that'll be coming out in the next couple days. Then after that, a few days later, you should see us start flowing videos from the trip. So until next time, I'm Tony, and we'll see you up the trail.